Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Secret again here, I'm back again. Now! Diamond camo Nerf gun, retaliator. It's modified. 12 round clip. And the creator of the gun is over there, my granddad. It's a modified diamond camo remake of the AN-94 of Call of Duty Black Ops 2. But the gun itself is called Retaliator. I think it's $29.99 to buy. And get the BB gun for granddad. Yeah guys, we'll be doing. Make sure you subscribe and like. It's got a BB gun. It's got a laser. Shiny laser. It's blue, but you won't be able to see it. And the mag is 12. It's got a barrel. That shotgun thing. Blue. And that's it for this video. What? What? So yeah. So yeah. And that's it for this video guys. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Bye.